So a couple months ago, I posted on Lemonade about a boo basket, but in a box form that we would switch. And only one person responded. And I'm very grateful because I really got to take the time and make that boo basket for her and send it to her. Her name is Karen and she's on TikTok, which I will link her TikTok here in below. But it's pretty much a boo basket except for just sending it to somebody. So I've been super excited. I've been waiting really long for this package. I did one prior and I sent the package to this lady and then I never got one in return. So I was a little bummed about that someone would do that. So I was talking to Karen about it and she went through a lot, so I understood that, but at the end of the day she came through and that's what I appreciate that because I went through, you know, I made it happen for her. So let us see what we got. Oh my god. It is pretty full, actually. It's completely full to the top. So let's unbox it. Oh, okay. So I've been asking for a fall blanket. And it's mushrooms, which I love mushrooms. So if you can't rely on your partner to get you some fall blankets, rely on your friends. Because this is my blanket now. And it's mushrooms. Like I love this. This is amazing, Karen. This is what I've been looking for. Wanting. It was around Halloween, so we did get candy. I love candy. Who doesn't? A lot of fruit snacks, which I love. Okay, I'm gonna eat some while we open this. Fruit snack. I love how she wrapped everything. So where do I go? Okay. So I told her I really wanted to play around with eyeshadow and like beauty products. She got me this really pretty pearl silver highlighter, which, oh, this is gorgeous. And then we got this really pretty dark maroon color eyeshadow, which I love maroon. So thank you so much. Another fruit snack, which I'm gonna have a blast eating. Next we have face masks. I love face masks. Oh, I've been wanting to try that one. Oh, this is cute. It's in the shape of a koala. And then just a regular Neutrogena, which I love Neutrogena. It's like my favorite product when it comes to skincare. Ooh, I've been wanting to try the Jolly Rancher gummy, so perfect. There's a lot of candy, which I love. I'm so happy. Ooh, what is this? Heart candy. Cool. We also have a waterproof eyeliner. So fun, so fun. Next we have ooh.
We haven't seen Happy Gilmore play this badly since his first day on tour. He and Bob Barker are now.
Oh, this is cute. This is a lip balm. And it's strawberry acai. This is so cute. I love this. Okay, this is a big one. A bigger one. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so we talked about liking crafts and stuff. And she got me this super cute coaster diamond art kit. I wonder where she got this because this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. And it's wood too. This is amazing. I love this. Wow, I wouldn't have thought about doing it in wood style. This is amazing. I love this. Thank you, Karen. I'm totally doing this in my free time. Okay. Oh, these are Hershey's. My sister's boyfriend and I, we just had a whole debate about Hershey's, which I think is so funny. Oh, what is this? Oh, girl, you went full out. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
Good, huh? I'll see you at the next tournament, right? Oh, no.
Karen, this is amazing.
On national TV. Well, look, let's get something to eat. Is Red Lobster in
These
your
are
mind?
really pretty colors. Look at that. It's a eyeshadow
I
palette.
thought we were gonna be friends. Oh, we're friends. Good.
This is gorgeous. Like, I don't even want to use it. I just want to look at it. This is really pretty.
Hey, Abby,
This is so cute.
so you have to fight with the game on national TV.
Okay, the next thing we got is... Ooh, what is this? Oh, I told her that I really like cooking, and I've been into cooking and baking and that kind of stuff. I don't know if I need scissors for this. Girl, I thought I already knew. I was kind of like, is this, did I do enough? Can you give me scissors, please? You exceeded my, I did not, I feel bad now because I did not do as much as you did. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is perfect for fall. Look at that. How cute! I love this. I'm gonna use it today when I cook. This is amazing. Thank you. This is so cool.
Okay? You just sit here and enjoy the one thing that makes me a little bit happy.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my god, you went all out. This is... Shit, now I feel bad. This is... I totally look forward to this. I love something like this. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. Okay, last but not least, because girl, you did it. I mean, oh, this is cute. Yes. I love adult coloring books. This is Autumn Harvest themed, and it's really cute. It has, I like how you have a blank page so it doesn't go through. Isn't this so cute? This is so cute. This is amazing. I am so grateful for everything that you have. You have put so much work into it, even though you were going through a lot. I greatly appreciate this. This is amazing. I'm going to be so busy. I'm always worried I'm getting bored as a stay-at-home wife with chronic illness. So this is perfect. All of this will keep me busy and keep me going. I really look forward to trying one of these tonight, and I'll definitely let you know how it goes. This is amazing. I have no words. I'm just amazed. I'm really grateful for Karen for doing this and participating in this and responding to my post, because this wouldn't have happened if she hadn't responded to my post. So thank you so much, Karen, and thank you to everyone that watches these videos. I know one of you guys disliked my last video, and I'm really sorry. But I hope this one was more interesting. I know it was a little random. But anyways, hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.